really bad like anxiety attacks, and I decided to come home for the weekend. So I'm at home now and I'm going to take a day to kind of recuperate, get some shit done. But first I'm going to go outside and sketch a little bit, and I thought I would take you with me. It's about 10 a.m. I've been up for a couple hours in bed, and it's raining, but it's nice, and I'm gonna go into this little hut that there is. So I packed my bag, I have my sketchbook, my watercolors, some water, and got ready. Been doing my hair like this recently, and I like it. I've never been a hairstyle girly, but I kind of like this, yeah. And I just have on some comfy clothes. And I'm gonna get going now. It's really raining a lot. It's nice. Okay, I'm at the little hut and it is covered up enough. It's not wet, even though it stopped raining now. But it's nice. There's no one here, obviously. There's never anyone here, but especially if it's raining, there's nobody outside at all. And it's really quiet. I can hear the church bells from the town down below, which it's 11:15. I don't know why they're ringing exactly. That doesn't matter. I'm here and I'm gonna sketch a little bit. I picked some flowers. So I'm gonna put in my sketchbook as well. And yeah. Got my sketchbook. It's pretty full. I think this is gonna be the last page I'm gonna use up in this because I kind of want to finish it. I just need to buy a new one, so I've been looking for empty pages. This is also here at home, so I think I'm just gonna fill in on this page. I have my pens here. I think I'm gonna draw first and then put the flowers on top. Yes. There's so many grapevines here. It's really nice. So these sketches aren't gonna be like really nice. I just want to kind of freely draw a little bit without worrying too much about it, to be honest. Kind of draw what I see. I see a lot of grapes. I find it so relaxing to just kind of draw what I see in this like very random kind of way, or it's more just kind of capturing the shapes and the things rather than going for a certain look of trying to make it look realistic, which is also fun sometimes, but I feel like it's definitely like less stressful. Just kind of draw a bit more randomly. A log of wood. It's a bunch of grass. Here it's a bit more free. Here's some wheat. Into the wine fields. There's a little path going by here. The building has a bunch of windows. This one also has a bunch of windows. This. So I get super impatient when I'm drawing. Like, I don't like spending hours on one drawing or painting. How long have I been doing this for? Like 10 minutes. I can already feel that I'm like kind of, you know, going through it quick, which is fine. That's kind of what I like. I enjoy that as well. I like doing it more fast and not putting too much thought into it. If I'm just sketching stuff that I see, because that's what's fun for me about it. It's like just putting off my brain. Yeah, put the hills in the back. And some clouds as well, because it's really cloudy. Some more grass, maybe some more flowers. And some more grapes. Some more leaves. Nice. Then, it's today the 4th of August. And then I'm gonna add some color. I have my little watercolor set here. It's really messy. I love this. This is the best investment I made. Art-wise, really, I love it so much. Can take it everywhere, and I paint so much more since I have this. Okay, I'm gonna fill this little green one. I'm gonna start with green, actually. Why not start with green? Paint the leaves. really lightly. It's on the back of this. Nothing important. Because this paper is really bad, so the colors like seep through a lot, which I don't like about this sketchbook. That's why I'm super over it, is because everything I draw kind of ends up on the next page, which is why there's a lot of empty pages. But the back side of this is really ugly and really random, so I don't care. Also, this pen, I really like this. It's Faber-Castell. It's a 0.1. They have them in even smaller, which I would even prefer, to outline stuff. And they're waterproof, so you can draw with this and then put watercolors on top, which is really, really nice. Because otherwise I would always have to go with pencil first, and then watercolors, and then again the pen. So there's still some leftover color. Let's draw a little flower. A little person. Some grass. This is a bit too colorful here for me. Okay, let's see, that's a bit much. Oh well. That's okay, we'll have some dark grass. Here's more like bald. And then some yellow in there. Especially because that's not even grass, that's supposed to be the wheat. So let's get some brown up in here for some wheat color. Oh man, now it's so dark. Okay, now let's start with the wood, which I want dark brown. Okay, let's start with some light brown. Maybe mix a bit more black. Yeah, that's more what I'm going for. Okay, let's fill in the brown. Nice, I like this actually. And then I want some more like greenish thing for the grapevines here, because they're very green. I didn't sketch in the leaves, I'll still have to do that. Or not, you know. Maybe I'll just kind of leave it as it is here. There's also some green here too. That part there is more like sandy beige. And then we have the hills are kind of like green and blue, more bluish green because they're more like behind. Actually kind of overclouded. It's a bit too bright. And then there's like, yeah, there's like forest. Some foresty colors. And then the houses are more like grayish. My camera died, my storage ran out. Let's see if it works, but I think I'm done with this for now. I just want to let it dry and then sketch over it with my pen again. And then that's good for me for that one. I just want to glue in my little flowers. Just literally smear glue everywhere. Put one big one like this. Don't know if this one's gonna stay. Might need to tape it. Alright, that's my little page that I did today. Took me maybe like 25 minutes. I don't know. But I have my sketch of the view here, which I will still go over with my pen. I'll put a finished picture here if I decide to do that. And then I have my little flowers at the bottom. Okay, I am finished. The flowers aren't staying. I'm gonna close the book and press them. And I think this was the last sketch that I will do in this book because I'm over it and I want a new book. And yeah, that was really nice. Thank you for joining me. Maybe you sketched as well and we could sketch together a little bit. And I hope you enjoyed. I definitely enjoyed it. feel way more calm again. And I'm going to return back home and eat some lunch now. So I hope you have a nice day or night or whatever, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.